Ipapa Palasiko, Nyesden Ening, Archbishop loitetet loko Kampala Archdiocese, Paul Semwogerere, ebe kotokini yesa terare no ejiri lokamina na raboni kabonik, kwa peda loma rangeso ya piesi la achok. Koto mobalua, loda sioma kino Semwogerere, loda Erai Chancellor loka Kampala Archdiocese, Father Pius Male, otomapa kina Esiboikin oke Korubaga Cathedral, Papa Palasiko, nyesda bwito dia munoke barebe. Apiriano tuneji atari Semwogerere, keda pedorita kia sam, ebuna ingara kini nyesi noi, aingare nikina keresia. Papa Palasiko, nyese barebe Semwogerere, nyesi da buo kakao, aijenene barara noi, koto mapa, kina ade chioki ongesi Kasana Luero Diocese, usuda muno kino ringesi da, ainapeta nuka Paul. Kwa asuban nuka Esiboikin naka Archbishop Semwogerere, nyesa polo kiniti Luigi Bayanko, loda agoi kiniti Papa Kaneko Uganda. Koto mada oineri kela achamu Semwogerere, nyese lipaga ngat kama de jae akiresia. Keda itunga kiere kanuda ispedori ngesi aitodole peluke loda ingare ni kinte sipan. Lui Paul wa Pugan ingare ni kinte Vice President Jessica Lupo nenpeke da Pugana ko Buganda kisa jasi asubanano.
The new Archbishop for Kampala Archdiocese, we the parishioners of Christ the King Church, we're very excited and we want to assure you that he is extremely fit for that responsibility. And as you step into your new role, the Almighty God will grant you the wisdom and courage to take the Archdiocese to even greater heights in the service of God and His people. As a shepherd of God's people, you bear a dual responsibility. Firstly, you have the responsibility of gathering a big harvest of souls for God's kingdom through evangelism, teaching, counseling, prayer, etc. This involves calling upon your congregation to live according to the biblical teachings and taking a firm stand against evil practices in society, such as corruption, segregation, injustices, domestic violence, etc. You are the moral compass of society. You are tasked with the duty of directing people to the path of righteousness and good neighborliness. Your Excellency, the Apostolic Nuncio, I would like to conclude by saying that, however, besides spiritual guardianship, you are also tasked with the responsibility of promoting the socio-economic transformation agenda among the faithful in your archdiocese. This is equally